Avoiding the same mistakes after reuniting to get ex back. Getting back with an ex can be exciting, but it also comes with challenges. If the same mistakes happen again, the relationship may not last. To make it work this time, both partners must reflect on past issues, communicate better, and commit to positive change. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are key steps to avoid repeating past mistakes. 1. Understand why you broke up. Before restarting the relationship, identify the real reasons for the breakup. Was it poor communication, trust issues, or different goals? If these problems remain unresolved, they will resurface. Be honest with each other about what went wrong. 2. Let go of past resentment. Carrying emotional baggage from the past will only harm the relationship. Forgiveness and a fresh start are essential. If needed, seek counseling to help heal emotional wounds and move forward. 3. Set clear expectations. Talk about what you both want from the relationship this time. Discuss boundaries, future plans, and important values. Being on the same page prevents misunderstandings later. 4. Improve communication. Many breakups happen due to poor communication. Listen actively, express feelings calmly, and avoid blaming each other. Healthy conversations build a stronger connection. 5. Break toxic patterns. If toxic behaviors like jealousy, control, or avoidance caused issues before, work on changing them. Personal growth is key to a healthier relationship. 6. Rebuild trust. If trust was broken, it takes time and effort to rebuild. Be honest, keep promises, and show consistency through actions, not just words. 7. Maintain individual growth. A strong relationship includes two individuals who continue to grow. Pursue hobbies, career goals, and self-improvement to bring your best self into the partnership. 8. Keep the romance alive. Avoid falling into routine. Surprise each other, try new activities, and express appreciation regularly to keep the spark alive. 9. Handle conflicts better. Disagreements will happen, but they must be handled with respect. Avoid shouting, blame games, or bringing up past mistakes. Focus on solutions instead of winning arguments. 10. Know when to let go. If the same problems keep arising despite your efforts, it may be best to move on. A relationship should bring happiness, not constant stress. Reuniting with an ex can work if both partners are willing to learn from the past. By avoiding old mistakes and building a healthier connection, you can create a stronger, more lasting relationship. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.